Hi everybody, this is Ian from HYPR. As you know, we make beautiful stuff, and here we are. Look at this, our latest 12K carbon Dragon Boat blade. Registration comes with our non-standard, non-slip shaft that's braided twill. And here we are with our latest metal clamp that we specially developed. You can center it with the center line, right? Adjust it, just lift the lever, slide it out, slide it in, and center it, and just clamp it back. We're shipping all the pre-orders today, and if you want one, please order ahead, and we'll get it to you as soon as possible.